How to fix VRChat avatars not loading. In this video, I will show exactly how you can do it. So, let's get started. First, check if safe mode is turned on. If it is, you'll see a grey robot with a cancel sign on its chest. To turn it off, open your quick menu, click on Change Shield Level and pick Normal. Now, you should be able to see and hear everyone again. Next, see if you've blocked someone's avatar. If you have, you'll also see that grey robot with a cancel sign. To fix this, open your quick menu, select the person you want to see, and click the eye icon under Avatar Display. This will show their avatar. Sometimes avatars are blocked because of performance settings. If you see a red icon with an exclamation mark on the grey robot's chest, that's the reason. To fix it, open the main menu, go to the Safety page and adjust your settings to show avatars and hear voices based on trust levels. You can also go to the Settings page, then Avatars, and change the performance and download size limits. Another reason avatars might not load is content filtering. If you see a grey padlock icon on the robot's chest, that's the issue. To fix it, change your content filtering settings to allow avatars like this. And that's it. That's how you can fix VRChat avatars not loading.